Maximum wavelength of light source such that photoelectron can be ejected from material of work function 3 electron volt is 1 2133.3 angstrom, 2 3133.3 angstrom, 3 4133.3 angstrom, and 4 313.3 angstrom. So now we have the formula lambda is equal to hc by energy. With that we can find lambda is equal to h value is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34. C value 3 into 10 raised to 8 by energy value is given to us 3 electron volt, but we have to convert into joule, so into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So here we can cancel 3 and 3. So after doing the calculation we'll get the answer as 4,133.3 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, which we can write as 4133.3 angstrom, which is our option 3.